Vrindavan, a tiny hamlet 15 kilometers from Mathura. It is said that Lord Krishna never leaves Vrindavan. Vrindavanam parityajya padam ekam na gacchati. Anyone who goes there becomes transcendently purified. It is in this dainty little pilgrimage town that Bhaktivedanta Gurukul and International School was established in 1976 by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada, the founder Acharya of International Society for Krishna Consciousness, ISKCON. Set up as an unique educational institution that aims towards imparting spiritual education with a sense of service and devotion and instilling character amongst its pupils. Bhaktivedanta Gurukul and International School has been molding young adults into model citizens of the nation for over 35 years now.
Our Gurukul is primarily meant for building character in students.
The current director of Gurukul, His Grace Leela Purushottama Das, is a former professor at IIT and has been teaching in reputed institutions around the world for over 20 years. He envisions an even greater role in society for Gurukul and hopes to take the school to new heights. Gurukul is a place for the all-round development of a young child, from spiritual activities like Mangalarti in the morning or carrying out religious processions to music lessons, art classes and daily sports. All facets are explored and children are encouraged to find their interest and their life's calling. Music, in fact, plays a strong role in the teaching of Gurukul boys. Bablu Prabhu, a Mridanga prodigy who has been playing the Mridang since past 4 decades, is an internationally recognized Mridanga player and is responsible for imparting musical education to the children at Gurukul.
Gurukul in music is very important because sometimes students get bored for academic study. So therefore, if you have music, so then you can fit the academic culture with the music.
Apart from spiritual and co-curricular activities, great emphasis is also placed on academics. With a teacher for every 8 students, a greater individual attention is provided to each student. Gurukul's teaching faculty also comprises of 5 IIT graduates who spend every waking hour helping their students achieve greater heights. The Vice Principal of Gurukul, His Grace Radhakanta Das, himself an IIT graduate, embodies that spirit perfectly.
I completed my BTech from IIT Kanpur in aerospace engineering in the year 2005 and I joined National Instruments Bangalore. As most of my colleagues, I was earning good salary, but I felt something missing within my heart. I thought I was being too selfish. And then I decided to join IIT Kanpur again for my masters. And I was contemplating that what is the best way I can contribute to the society. And I thought education is probably the best I can do.
Gurukul has been responsible for positive transformation in children for over 3 decades now, and none can be a better testament to that than the parents and alumni themselves. Life at Gurukul is a living embodiment of the idea of simple living and high thinking. With so much positive energy around the place, the students at Gurukul live an ideal Vaishnava life and carry with them memories of a lifetime. Today, under its new director, His Grace Leela Purushottama Prabhu, the school hopes to expand and grow beyond its one building campus.
We have just one building. Within that building, our boys live and our boys also learn. We want to expand. So in that sense, a great responsibility that I have is to envision the future of the school.
It is the vision of a future where students can study and live in a Vrindavan of past glory, of the times of Lord Krishna. With the school being a self-sustained autonomous body that does not believe in profiteering, unlike most public schools of this day and age, the realization of this dream rests on the encouragement and support of its patrons and the right-thinking members of our civil society. As per the director, Dr. Leela Purushottam Das, the next phase of expansion of BGIS is not only limited to the infrastructure development with modern state-of-the-art facilities in a spiritual ambience, but also knowledge generation in diverse fields that will lead to the development of many specialized courses. This is where newly recruited IIT graduates will contribute. These knowledge generation initiatives will be taken across disciplines such as science, mathematics, classical music, performing arts, fine arts, learning methodologies and Sanskrit studies.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama